Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we save you from making those regrettable purchases. Today, we've got a showdown between two budget-friendly warriors, the Motorola Moto G Play 2023 and the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. It's like watching David and Goliath, but with Wi-Fi and selfies. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about the price, because we all know the wallet decides who wins. The Moto G Play 2023 is priced at $169. Not too shabby, right? But wait, the Galaxy A15 5G says, "Hold my SIM card," and comes in at $158. A whole $11 cheaper. You could almost buy lunch with that. So round one goes to the Galaxy A15 5G. It's already throwing punches. Moving on to the display, the Moto G Play 2023 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. It's like watching your favorite shows through a pair of sunglasses. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 5G boasts a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. That's like upgrading from a tricycle to a Ferrari. Sorry, Moto G Play, but the Galaxy A15 5G is like the prom queen while you're still stuck in freshman year. Now, let's talk about those cameras. Because, let's face it, Instagram isn't going to impress itself. The Moto G Play 2023 sports a 16-megapixels triple camera system. Not bad, right? But the Galaxy A15 5G comes in hot with a 50 megapixels main camera, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. It's like bringing a bazooka to a water gun fight. Moto G Play, you tried, but the Galaxy A15 5G is out here making everyone look like a professional photographer. All right, battery life. Can't be snapping all those pics if your phone dies, right? Both phones come with a 5,000 mAh battery. But here's the kicker. The Moto G Play 2023 claims up to 3 days of battery life. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 5G is just happy to make it through a day with its power-hungry specs. This round goes to the Moto G Play 2023. Finally, something it can brag about at the family dinner. Next up, storage and performance. The Moto G Play 2023 offers 32 gigabytes of built-in storage and the option to expand up to 512 gigabytes with a micro SD card. But wait, the Galaxy A15 5G pulls out 128 gigabytes of storage right out of the box with 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's like bringing a tank to a go-kart race. No contest here. The Galaxy A15 5G is the clear winner. The Moto G Play 2023 is just left scratching its head. Finally, design and extras. The Moto G Play 2023 is water repellent and comes with a fingerprint reader. Handy, right? But the Galaxy A15 5G has a side-mounted fingerprint reader and a sleek design that screams, "I'm expensive," even though it's not. Plus, it's got that 5G connectivity. Moto G Play, you're still stuck with 4G like it's 2010. Galaxy A15 5G. You're the Beyoncé of budget phones. Moto G Play, you're more like the backup dancer. Sorry, not sorry. Based on Amazon reviews, the Motorola Moto G Play 2023 is praised for its excellent battery life, sturdy design, and overall value for the price. However, some users noted it could lag during heavy use. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G receives high marks for its fast performance, excellent camera quality, and overall value, despite some issues with chargers and network compatibility. So there you have it, folks. The Galaxy A15 5G is the undeniable champ of this budget phone battle. Moto G, Play 2023, you put up a good fight, but it's time to pack it up and go home. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic showdowns. Let us know in the comments which phone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, buy smart and stay savvy. See you in the next video. Peace out.